In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for creative projects. This is a great way to generate ideas, stories, and content for your creative work. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt based on the creative project I want to work on. For example, I might type, "Write a short story about a futuristic city powered by AI." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a creative response, such as a story, idea, or concept based on my request. If I want more control over the output, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the genre, tone, or style. For example, I might type, "Write a mystery story set in a small town with a suspenseful tone." Claude can also help with brainstorming ideas, creating outlines, or expanding creative concepts. If I'm working on a project, I can continue asking follow-up prompts to refine or build on the idea. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for creative projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.